Hi, tabletop sculpture again. So we have made a cube, an arbitrary prism. Now let's make something more difficult. What could be more difficult? Well, say triangular pyramid. It's more difficult because it's not square. It should be triangular. And also the angles are really sharp. So you have to get from some kind of roundish shape to some very sharp edge. And you have to get rid of one corner. I mean, it's a triangle. You have to have three angles, three edges at each point. Like here we have the fourth angle, corner. How to eliminate it? Well, hit it. Okay, now you've got it rounded, but you already have less overall corners. So we will put it like this and like this. So now it doesn't look like a well, it is pyramid, but not with the same angles. No, it's not a problem. Actually, maybe we will make a slanted pyramid, but why not make it symmetrical? Okay, now we'll try to make a symmetrical pyramid. What is its scientific name? I don't know. I forgot. I knew it. But anyway, we've got some kind of a pyramid. Triangular pyramid, you see? Again, the angles are really, the corners are really rounded. Let's try to sharpen them just by heating. Is it possible? What are we getting? I don't know. Well, it sharpens. Okay, it sharpens more. You see, if I hit one side too much, then it will become flat, more flat. So I have to do it to turn it all the time and make it a little really different. Well, I see that, well, it becomes sharper, but I'm not sure if I can actually sharpen it too much. Well, you remember that we can take 3 fingers and press it here and make it really sharp, and then straighten up the planes. Yes, and here we are. And so if this is rounded, that's what happens usually. Well, let's deal with it. Let's make it flat, but then it will become thick. And then let's hit it from this side, and it will become more. Oh, maybe we can make it like this. Press it against the table, and with my fingers I press it against the table, because the table is one plane and my finger is another plane. So I am hitting it, I am pressing it, not hitting, and I am pressing all the rest. And while I am making the edges sharp, my corners are also sharpen up. Yeah, not so much. So I will again sharpen them with my fingers, or I can take 3 fingers like this and I pull a little bit. Pull, pull, pull. Pulling is another very useful technique, and you have to measure the strength of your pulling, of your pressing, and of your lifting, in order to get not to press too much, because then you'll have to fix it again, or not to make it, not to press too light, because then you won't achieve anything. So again, I destroyed it, and I have to fix it. How? Well, like this. Well, at this point it's easier to, maybe it's time to stop here, forget about this piece and take another one, if we want just to make it really smooth here. But if not, then let's leave it like this. And here we've got a pyramid, but not the ones that ancient Egyptians created for their pharaohs. They have created them square, with a square base, and mine is triangular, you see, and I achieved the more or less equal sides. That's it for now. Thank you very much for your attention.